IEEE Kerala Section, and also the student branch chapter advisor of Power and Energy Society chapter at Musliar College of Engineering. On behalf of PESSB chapter, Musliar College of Engineering, and IEEE Power and Energy Society Kerala chapter, I welcome our speaker, Suhair sir. He is a life senior member of IEEE and currently the chair of Power and Energy Society Kerala chapter to this webinar. And I thank him again for accepting my invitation to speak on this topic, enhancing employment opportunities of PS student members, which is a strength to all the electrical students and members of Power and Energy Society. And also I thanks all the participants joined for the meeting. Nearly 160 has registered for the webinar, and for registering and participating in the event, I thank all the participants, and then thank Sridev, then our Gilesh, then Bobby Philip, and all our Shobha Manikel, and all our PES members, life members, and PES Exicom members, and everyone who has joined this meeting. Thank you all. Thank you all the participants. Thank you very much. Now I invite Bobby Philip sir to introduce our speaker, Suhair sir.
Thank you, Kasim sir. Today we have, as all of you know, an eminent speaker, Engineer A. Suhair. He is the life senior member, IEEE, and is chair, Power and Energy Society Kerala chapter, IEEE Kerala section. And he is also, besides being the IEEE office bearer, he is serving as a chairman of Wakam Maulavi Foundation Trust, Trivandrum. We will have a quick and a brief look at his bio. And he has a master's degree in electrical power systems engineering from the University of Kerala. And he has served in many capacities in different companies in India and outside. And his professional activities in the past included as chairman of IEEE Power and Energy Society, United Arab Emirates section since 2006 to 2010. He was the president of UAE Advanced Toastmasters from 2010 to 2011. He was the chair, newsletters and publications, IEEE UAE section, and editor, EE Vision since 2001. He was a member of IEEE UAE section, executive committee since 2001. He was the vice president, education of UAE Advanced Toastmasters, Dubai, 2009. Vice president, education, Apple International Toastmasters, Dubai, 2008. Guest speaker for power system courses of King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals in 2008. And he has expertise in different fields spanning from power system planning, distribution planning, and use of specialized softwares in those areas. And he is also an expert in project management and held various capacities in different companies. And he has expertise in communications and leadership training, and he has expertise in integrated management systems and also in geographic information systems. He has published various technical papers of repute and has published in IEEE conferences and were part of different R&D and technical assessment teams of different companies in India and abroad. Let us have a look at his career. He started with a major career as management trainee in Alind Aluminium Industries Limited, Alind, from 1977 to 78. And in Kerala State Electricity Board, he served from 1978 to 92 as head of Water Management Center and as executive engineer in planning and research and World Bank projects and substations. And he has had major contributions like pioneered the establishment of an energy management and water management cell with the assistance of Canadian International Development Agency to efficiently utilize the hydro reservoirs for energy production and among other things. And he later held as position as a senior planning manager from 1992 to 2001 in Sharjah Electricity and Water Authority. And he had plenty of contributions, especially in geographic information systems. And later in 2001 to 2006, he held the positions of head of technical support and power system planning in Abu Dhabi Transmission and Dispatch Company. And he there also had major contributions. And he was also part of several internal technical committees. And he actually got some recognition of his works as a commendation for the 400 kV grid development study in Abu Dhabi Island. And later in 2006 to 2011, he held the position of electricity planning manager with Dubai Aviation City Corporation. And there also he had different responsibilities like review of electrical master plan and stage-wise development of plans prepared by the consultants and evaluation and analysis of network using Power World Simulator. And this is actually a summary of his work experience and his expertise. We are lucky to have such a knowledgeable and eminent personality to handle the session today, who is having rich exposure to domestic and international working environments and at different levels, from planning, development, management, etc. So with this, I hand over the mic to Suesa for the session.
Thank you very much for the very lengthy introduction, Professor Bobby. Thank you, Professor Kasim sir. Shobha madam is also present today. Very happy that around 60 participants are attending the event program. The topic is enhancing employment opportunities of PES, IEEE PES student members. It's a bit tricky topic title, because just becoming a member doesn't guarantee any employment. We all know. But IEEE and PES is offering a wonderful platform. That's the point. This is what I'm going to tell you today. I think we have, and I'm planning to it's not moving slide. Okay. So the structure of the presentation is something like this. The role of professional societies . A huge number of people devoting time for well-being of its members. We'll talk about IEEE and its allied entities and the services offered by them. and various skills that you'll be gaining from being a member of these organizations and societies. A little bit about the emerging world. The world is changing, technology is changing and moving fast, and how should we cope with this change? And a little bit about role of an engineer in the society, and how do we fit into. And lastly, a little bit about all these years. This is one of the presentation. I have some problem. Page up or arrow down? This is. Slide not moving. What to do?
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Professional society,
No,
we say
swear, sir.
audible or not?
Yes, sir. Now it is audible.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Slide visible on slide visible on.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. So
Okay.
professional society means something that supports and once they enter the profession, they need to be updated about the latest things in their profession to be more conversant with the practices and technology. So role of professional societies, they address these issues and empower their members to be professionally up to date. And we know that engineering professional societies, IEEE, 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 they are all engineering professional societies. IEEE stands for Institute of Electrical Electronics Engineers, based in USA and based in UK, and IEEE is Institution of Engineers based in India. So they all slightly differ in their scope of work as well as the quality of the service. IEEE, with the tagline, Advancing Technology for Humanity, is considered to be the world's largest professional organization with over 4 lakh members spread over 160 countries. And it has 39 technical societies, published is produced by IEEE. And and the members of it inspire the global community to innovate for a better tomorrow through highly cited publications, conferences, technology standards, professional and educational activities. That's in brief about the role of IEEE. And we all must be familiar or know that IEEE was founded in 1884, and the people behind the existed until then. Thomas Alva Edison, the inventor and originator of the telecommunication, Tesla, they're all pioneers in their field, and they brought in big changes in life and the quality of life of the people. So it started as AIEE. 1884, these young people met in New York. They wanted to have a want the knowledge to be stacked agency to do this service. This is an organization existence in 1884 in Pennsylvania. And there was another parallel organization later formed in 1912, Institute of Radio Engineers, that was established by Marconi. So that also grew in large numbers because electronics was more dynamic. And subsequently, organization started by legends, started by change makers. We all are their success. And we know the 39 technical societies, starting from aerospace system to vehicular tech society. And the red color is Power and Energy Society. The specialty of Power and Energy Society is that this is power and energy is something that revolves around our life. Today. So even though all these societies are important in their technical content and their applications, power and energy has a speciality that everybody has got a say or liking for this topic. A monopoly of electrical engineers. Communication, computer, field of science. So power and energy is become a, you can say, universal stake in this. So PES today and the number of awards and recognition to its public. The focal attention of PES or Power Energy Society, number one is helping members to stay tuned with the technological advances. We all know the pace at which technology is progressing. It's a hard job to keep track of technology. Second function is networking. We all know that IEEE is an organization without borders, spread over 160 countries. It's not just a local place, country.
Excuse me, sir. You are. It's not audible.
Audio is not there. Please, technical support, please give.
Hello.
Sir, Suir sir?
കേൾക്കാമോ?
ഇപ്പൊ കേൾക്കാം. Okay.
വൈഫൈ കുറച്ച് വീക്കാണ്, അപ്പൊ അതൊരു പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ട്.
അതായിരിക്കും ബ്രേക്ക് ആയി പോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പൊ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഇപ്പൊ ഓഡിബിൾ ആണ് സർ. ഇടയ്ക്ക്
4 points which hello
കേൾക്കാം സർ, കേൾക്കാം.
Okay. As I mentioned, to help you to stay tuned with the technology, networking, leadership, and communication and social intervention. So that's focal points. And now I just want to briefly tell you how the professional societies can help you. Number one is expanding your knowledge through publications, technical seminars or lectures. That will keep you up to date on the latest industry innovations, research and trends. That's number one. Number two, you say you're a member of IEEE means you're for anybody to read, and particularly an employer. It shows that you're connected with your profession. You stay connected with your profession. It is something that he likes. And thirdly, it connects you with a lot of people in the profession. And particularly IEEE being an international organization connects you across the country, not only within your country, it goes beyond the boundaries. So these three things are very important for your profession. Number one, wants to groom you as a leader. professional associations to develop your skills as a leader. And this is important for your personal and professional growth. One of the important responsibilities of a senior IEEE member or a PS member to mentor their juniors to mature as good professional members. Networking has already been mentioned, so I skip that point. You all know the common benefits of becoming a IEEE or PS member. You get a lot of important publications. Of PES is a very good magazine for everybody to read. Any layman can read and understand the latest trends in the technology. And there are
Again, there is audio problem. There is audio problem.
Suhair sir, can you hear us? Suhair sir, can you hear me? Suhair sir, can you hear me?
I think sir has got some issues with his network.
സാറേ മറ്റേ നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ അവിടെ? Okay, okay, okay. Postpone ചെയ്യാം. സാറ് ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കൂ. Yeah.
There is some problem with Presenter Suvarsar's connection, so please bear with us
And
for the time being.
yeah, right now Suhair sir is trying to join with the mobile. Let us wait for some time.
Kasim sir, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
hello. Suhair sir just informed that he is not in a position to connect his
Ah.
system to the internet. And when he tried with the mobile, also he faced some problem. So he is telling it is better to postpone to a suitable future time, so that it
Can
can
we
be.
have it on Saturday or Sunday morning?
Sir, I think we have to consult Suhair sir. He just informed. So just we can inform the participants, registered participants through mail.
Yeah,
That happening.
sure, sure, sure. We so dear participants, we will due to technical problems, we are unable to resume the webinar. So kindly bear with us, and we will inform you the new date of our webinar. And we expect all of you to join on the new date. Thank you all. Thank you. And sorry for the inconvenience caused. Thank you all. Dear participants, most probably we will make it on next Saturday morning. We will discuss with Suhair sir, and we will inform you all the new timings. And really sorry that we could not complete this. Thank you all for joining.